how to hard reset using the reset button for your Google TV streamer 4K. So if you have messed up your settings and you want to start again, you can use this button at the back to reset your unit. So here we will press and hold on this button here. So press for around 15 to 20 seconds. So press and hold on the monitor here. You will see it will say something about Bluetooth. So when you see a Bluetooth message, just ignore it. Ignore the message where it says searching for accessory and continue to press on the button. So continue to hold until you see it said factory data reset restarting. When you see that message restarting, you can let go of the button. So here I have let go of the button and now it is restarting. Now if you see the Android recovery menu, then what you can do is you can use this button here to navigate. So you can press on the button once to navigate to the next menu items. And to select an item, you can press and hold on the button. Now that is only if during the reset process where the unit crashes, it will display the Android recovery menu. Then you would need to use the reset buttons. Otherwise, if everything goes well, you should see this Google logo on the screen. So on your TV, just wait for the unit to complete the reset process, and shortly after, you should see where it said pair your remote and your TV or your monitor to set up your Google TV streamer. And that's it. That is how you can reset your Google TV streamer using the reset button. So here it shows Google TV. Okay, once the reset process completed, you can now start pairing. So you can press on the back key together with the home button on the remote control to start the setup process. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.